There is no doubt about it, the Ryobi Multitool has got to be one of the most popular tools in the DIY world. Ryobi, however, is not going to rest on that. They're all about innovation, and that's why we now have the Ryobi One Plus Multitool with articulating head. I'm going to tell you, this tool will put you ahead of the game. Let's start at the bottom with the battery. Of course, it's the One Plus, so it does all the tools in the range. The trigger is a soft start. That gives added stability, therefore better accuracy. I love that. Now when it comes to cutting tiles, timber, steel or even plastic, that's done at different speeds. So we've included a lock for the trigger and then a multi-speed dial. Really versatile machine. But up front here's where it all happens. With the click of a switch there, we've got a 5-stage articulating head. There is literally no space you can't get into now when it comes to cutting or sanding. Now just when you thought it couldn't get any better, it does. We normally fiddle around and have quite a lot of trouble removing and replacing accessories. Now we simply fold back the lever, blade comes off and can be replaced just as easy. Now they've also included a couple of accessories that I find really useful. We've got a little depth gauge here. That slips on and comes off just as easy. And now there's a vacuum attachment. Once that's slid into place, you can lock that in with your Ryobi Workshop vacuum. This is an incredibly versatile machine. So much so, if you use it, you're going to do a job just as good as the pros. For more information about this tool or any in the range, check out the website. Have fun, be safe, keep on DIYing.
Ryobi, a cut above.